I mean, it's got some good food in there. Like, it's just a cool spot. Like, they got a little bit of everything. Like.
The NBA's obsession with the Cheesecake Factory is well documented. Karl Anthony Towns of the Minnesota Timberwolves is known to take his teammates out for cheesecake, while Russell Westbrook calls their brown bread thebomb.com. There was even once a Twitter account dedicated to tracking NBA player sightings at the chain. The love has also trickled down to celebrities linked to the league. The Kardashians have been captured at Cheesecake by Just Jared, Us Weekly, and X17. And Drake, who serves as global ambassador for the Toronto Raptors, even featured it in one of his music videos. So why is it that so many of them are obsessively flocking to a casual dining chain typically found in shopping malls? For one, it could be that the Cheesecake Factory has locations surrounding every NBA city, meaning players can eat there whether they're at home or traveling for an away game. And since it's a chain, the food is typically pretty consistent whether you're in LA, Chicago, or Dallas.
Cheesecake Factory for the players, I'd say it represents one, familiarity. 41 games out of the regular season, they're on the road, so they want to eat food that they know is good and they know they can rely on. You know, when they go to play in their hometown, their friends and their family are going to come out and they want to go eat somewhere that can accommodate all of them. So they're going to Cheesecake Factory and they're taking them all there, and it's just a really good, dope scene.
Also, as anyone who's ever been to the Cheesecake Factory knows, the menu is so big it's spiral-bound, with dishes ranging from filet mignon to Tex-Mex egg rolls, and the portions are notoriously oversized.
You can get real bad in there. Like, you can get 8,000 calories out of a meal in there. Like.
Try to try something different every time, but you know, I can eat the same thing every single time.
My go-to is the egg roll, the Tex-Mex. Yeah. So I get that all the time.
Buffalo Blast is probably the best thing. That's some things on the menu.
Aside from huge portions, what else keeps players going back to the Cheesecake Factory night after night?
A lot of these guys are huge. You look at Draymond Green, you look at DeMarcus Cousins, these are borderline 7-footers and they're not skinny. These are big guys. Cheesecake Factory has the seating arrangements where you can sit down and it's not a tiny seat. These guys need space. They need to lay their bodies out and have a good time, and Cheesecake Factory has that space.
So for all the fans hoping to catch a glimpse of their favorite NBA player, the Cheesecake Factory might be almost as good as the court itself.
Do I like the Cheesecake Factory? Yeah, I like the Cheesecake Factory, man. They got so much good food. Can we go there right now? Let's go.
You know, it's big, so he's like, yo, you gotta help me. So try the piece, and you know, the rest is really history.
What are you looking for, like, in a pizza?